How to change font size on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to change your font size on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now right click on your chart and tap on settings. After you click on settings, now click on canvas. Once you tap on it, you can see the option for scales. Now go over this menu option over here, right beside the text icon. If you want to make your font size smaller, then click on the smaller numbers, or if you want to make text size or font size bigger, then click on bigger number. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna change the font size on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.